everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily restart a level in Adventure Escape Mysteries. So first of all, launch open your game on your device, and once you're inside the game, if you're stuck while playing it and you'd like to replay a level, then it is super quick and easy. You'll just need to go to the bottom left and tap on this gear icon while on a gameplay and look for the restart level button and tap on it. In the pop-up, click on restart and the level will be restarted. So that is how you can easily restart a level if you feel you are stuck or if you want to restart again from the beginning in Adventure Escape Mysteries. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.